these really cool calendars on different apps. Make sure to watch part 2 to actually get to see us doing it on, Anushka doing it on another app. But in today's video, we are doing it on PicMonkey. It's free. You can go on to Safari, Google, pretty much anything like Firefox, or search it up. It's free. You don't even have to download the app, and yeah.
Okay, so this video did have a little voiceover thing over the screen recording because I was talking in the screen recording, but I was talking really boring, and Anushka's on a meeting with me, so we just decided we're gonna do a voiceover together, right, Anushka?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I can delete that.
Okay, so go into PicMonkey.com.
And you want to click on the 8.5 times 11.
Or on the 8. Yeah, so now you're going to click on templates. I almost said themes. And then you're just going to type in calendar in the little search bar. I'm just scrolling down to give you guys an idea of what there is, but just go ahead and search up calendar.
That's a lot easier than what Kiana just did.
Yeah, so as you can tell, there's a lot of calendars. And this is the lazy way. I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways in PicMonkey. But this is the lazy way. You just click on the one you like. And then we're going to give it a makeover. So, yeah.
A makeover, fancy.
Okay, so this one's this really nice pastel kind of bluish, pink kind of theme.
And so I'm going to be giving it a makeover. So I'm going to start... Yeah. So I'm going to start with... Oh my god, okay. So I'm going to start with clicking on the background and changing the color. You just tap on one side of the background and then you can change it. So yeah, so there's that little thing that comes up and you click on it, and then there's you can even click on that to pick another color. Oop, okay. Okay. This is okay. So apparently I chose this color, and it's nice.
It looks really bad. I just had to say that. I'm sorry, but it looks weird.
That's rude because that's the
guys. Don't pick that color.
Well, that's the color we use on every thumbnail. So
I know, but it doesn't go well with the pink.
Yeah, I'm gonna change it.
Okay, I believe you.
Okay, now you gotta click on I'm clicking on the little fonts, and I'm changing the colors into black. So same with the border of it. Okay, no, I'm not doing green. No, okay, no blue. Okay, so it's no. Okay, calm down.
Kiana's having a heart attack.
Okay, so it looks like I went with that color. Yeah, so I'm gonna change all of them into that color to match, and yeah. Okay, so now if you click on that today part, you can highlight it and then click on effects and then click on outline, and you can bring it higher with the thickness depending on how you guys like it. I kind of like it lower, but then you can also click on drop shadow and change the color, and same with inner shadow, and same with outline, and curved text, which is really cool. And you can make the thickness of
everything.
Yeah, you can fix up everything. You can fix up the color. You can fix on the font by clicking on that little area, which you guys saw. And I personally love Dancing Script Regular. It's right there. I'm clicking on it. And yeah, I also love the Times New Roman and the Sheercand. But I went with the...
Also, if you can find the font Chewy, definitely do that, because that's a really cool font. It's the only bubble kind of font that you can find on Google.
Yeah, I love Chewy, but it's apparently, I don't think, on PicMonkey. But as you can tell, I'm changing the color and stuff. Don't worry, it's gonna look good. Don't worry.
That looks really weird so far.
Don't worry. Really cool effects, click onto graphics, then scroll down till you find nature, and then keep scrolling down and finding cool things. If you guys pay attention to the thumbnails, I always do cool feathers and natural stuff to really pop with our theme. Sometimes I do colorful sunflowers, sometimes I do dark sunflowers. Just go out, guys. Just go all out. You guys
Go
need,
all out.
yes, you guys need like a really nice colorful, if you guys want actually have like a fun colorful thing. And I'm just dragging out cool different like stems and stuff that I think are cool. Another thing you can do is go into nature and click on search on the top bar fern. Some really cool stuff come up. I did that too, and you guys will see it throughout the video. So here I find some like really cool like leaves that I think bring up like really cool.
Bang, bang, bang.
Anushka!
What?
Anushka.
You're watching the recording, right?
I'm talking. I'm literally
Oh,
talking.
sorry. I thought you were recording. Okay.
Well, anyway, I said I brought out some cool like leaves that I think bring up the vibe. Yeah. Okay, so that was to-do list number 1. Let's move on to to-do list number 2. So
That was a calendar.
oh my god, I'm sorry. Okay, it seems like I was not done with the calendar. It seems like I'm still okay. I'm bringing in a leaf. I'm bringing in a leaf. I'm bringing in a leaf.
Oh my gosh, it just hit my finger on a charger.
Oh my god. Okay, well, this is to-do list number 2, and you're gonna click on the little draw button, and you can you can squiggle out a line, or you could go into graphics and search up line. There's like these really cool GIF lines. There's these like straight ones. There's these curvy ones. Here's like a GIF one, but it ends up not moving, and it turns out so much smaller. But I make it bigger.
Isn't it GIF, not GIF? Or is it GIF? Or is it GIF? Or is it GIF?
I have no
I don't know.
But anyway, yeah, so that's one type of line, but you don't have to it stop moving for some reason. But I end up deleting that. I'm giving away. No, okay.
Scroll down.
Scroll down, you can see like these squiggle lines, you can see some wavy lines. So see here, I'm taking. It seemed like I changed my mind, and instead I went to grab the squiggly one. I was halfway through grabbing another one, and then I go like, nope, no, this one. Okay, but anyway, you can take like a little squiggly line, and then you can click text. Then you can click add text on the top of the screen, and you can drag that all the way up there, and you can highlight it. Well, actually click on it, and then you can go on that little button where I already showed you guys earlier how you can like change a font, and let's see which one I go with. Seems like I had changed my mind, and I'm just waiting, and I'm saying to do, which to-do lists and calendars are kind of similar, because in a calendar there's like little weeks.
They're not. To-do lists. Well, that sounded really weird, but to-do lists are like what you have to do, and calendars are like marking dates. I think.
Yeah, but weekly calendars are kind of like to-do lists.
I guess.
And that's what I'm doing here. So don't listen to Anushka. Okay, so let's see what I do next. I went onto graphics. I'm going to search up line again, and it looks like I'm going to make like a weekly kind of calendar. So yeah. Okay, so here I grabbed like different types of lines, and I'm kind of making it in like a weekly kind of thing. Anushka. Okay, anyway, yeah, I'm like dragging them into like boxes to make them like boxes. Oh, that didn't make sense, did it? So as you guys can tell, I'm almost done with it. After that, I'm gonna like probably on the like little corners add Monday, and then the next box do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you know, that kind of stuff. Yeah, so here I'm adding like little notes, and then yeah, I didn't really film the part of me adding Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday on the corners, but here I'm changing like the colors of the lines and the backgrounds and that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'll show you guys the final results. So yeah, as you guys can tell, I'm like pretty much done. I just have to add a little Monday on the other corner, and yeah.
Oh my gosh, it looks like a grandma!
My God, Anushka!
I have
This video is so long.